If you're considering Sleeknote for your landing page needs, there are 12 key things you need to know before buying, including how it stacks up against competitors. Stick around because the last point might change your mind entirely. First thing, Sleeknote is excellent for pop-ups and lead capture forms. It's highly customizable and easy to use, even for beginners. However, compared to tools like OptinMonster, Sleeknote doesn't offer as many advanced targeting options, which could be a deal breaker for those who want precision. Next thing, its drag and drop builder is intuitive and well designed. While it's a breeze to create visually appealing campaigns, it's worth noting that tools like Unbounce offer a wider variety of templates and deeper integrations for landing page creation. Third, Sleeknote's analytics provides solid insights into your campaigns, like conversion rates and visitor behavior. But if you're looking for more granular data or A/B testing options, competitors like Leadpages might offer better analytics. The fourth thing is pricing. Sleeknote operates on a subscription-based model, which can get expensive as your traffic scales. Alternatives like MailMunch often have more budget-friendly options for smaller businesses. Next, integrations are strong, with compatibility for major email marketing tools like MailChimp and Klaviyo. However, platforms like ActiveCampaign may offer deeper automation features when paired with their native landing page tools. Sixth, Sleeknote's customer support is reliable, with fast response times. But some users report more comprehensive onboarding and troubleshooting resources with competitors like Instapage. Seventh, mobile optimization is a strength for Sleeknote, ensuring your campaigns look great on any device. However, Unbounce and GetResponse offer additional mobile-specific features like AMP landing pages that load faster. The eighth thing, Sleeknote doesn't just focus on collecting leads, it's also geared toward driving sales with features like product recommendations. But Shopify users might find apps like Privy more tailored to e-commerce needs. Next, Sleeknote's user interface is clean and distraction-free, making it easy to focus on building campaigns. Still, if you need advanced workflow options, ConvertFlow may offer a more robust dashboard. 10th, Sleeknote is great for personalized messaging. You can tailor pop-ups based on user behavior, but for more sophisticated personalization, look into tools like Dynamic Yield. Next thing, Sleeknote's targeting options allow you to display campaigns based on factors like location and device. However, platforms like Thrive Leads go a step further with hyper-targeting options that can be more effective. Finally, while Sleeknote is undoubtedly a great tool, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Depending on your goals and budget, you might find more value with other platforms that combine landing pages, pop-ups, and email marketing into a single suite. Overall, Sleeknote is a good choice for businesses focused on lead generation with minimal complexity. But if you're after something more powerful or cost-effective, check out our recommended solution. It's free to try and might just be the perfect fit for your needs.